Hi, we are Team PMO Powerhouse, consisting of Malik, Noor, and Madalena from RLB Digital, Kate and Jen from BMT, and Eloise from National Highways. The challenge we picked was challenge number 8. In summary, the challenge was to provide insightful analysis and visualization of data from the House of PMO competency framework and self-assessment tool. There are a number of pain points, for example, wanting all skills and capabilities housed in one place, that we addressed in the challenge brief. We have used these to inform our solution.
We first extracted user requirements from the personas and pain points information provided. These included easy data visualization and analysis, simplified hiring process, assistance to individual development, and access to real-time data. We were given a number of data fields, but found that for the data visualization to provide a bigger picture and to ensure the data was able to inform knowledge, insights, and therefore decisions, we needed to add more data fields. These are listed in the recommended new data fields table.
Currently, the data from the House of PMO tool is exported into an Excel worksheet with no further action taken. Our proposed solution enables visualization through Power BI and a data management training booking platform and Power Apps. Excel and SharePoint are used for data storage, with Power Automate enabling an automated email to support the app with training bookings. Power Automate also enables AI as natural language queries to provide responses on training recommendation questions. The Power App is integrated with Power BI to provide a training dashboard. The dashboard homepage provides a high-level overview, including a total count of competencies by industry and a breakdown of employees by offices, with a tooltip to show the level of expertise in that office. The team page allows you to filter competencies by team, context, and domain. The department page does the same as the team page, filtering by department. You can drill through to a details tab that allows you all the information from the self-assessment tool. The project page allows the user to roll all the projects up into a higher level, such as program and portfolio view. Firstly, the user chooses the portfolio, then the program name, then the project name. The user can then view all the total count of competencies on a project. The user can drill through to any competency to see the level of expertise. The skills distribution page shows the level of expertise against each competency, with the ability to filter by domain. We have created a benchmark framework for each level of expertise. The user can filter by role profile, mandatory and optional, and use the highlighted competencies to filter through to the benchmarking skills and knowledge dashboard, which will aid the hiring process with skills for job descriptions. The training dashboard lists all the training requests by department and accreditation body, with the option to drill through to a training details tab, where you can narrow it down by the line manager or employee name. The line manager dashboard shows the total self-assessments by competency, with the current level of expertise and the target level. Finally, the users page, where the user can type their name, filter by role, and view their level of expertise, competencies, and training details.
In the dashboard, we have embedded 2 apps. The first one would allow a system administrator to import CSV exports from the House of PMO self-assessment tool, which would update 4 data sources in SharePoint. On the second app, employees and managers would be able to view, edit, request, and assign training courses. The homepage has 3 buttons. The first one is for employees to view, edit, and request training. You will be able to select a competency and search and filter through the recommended training courses to request a new training. Submitting the request starts an approval process that goes to the line manager to review and either approve or reject. Employees can also search and filter through existing training records and update any of the associated information. As a line manager, you will also be able to assign training to any of your direct reports. You start by selecting the user, selecting the competency, and searching through the recommended training courses. Assigning a training course sends the employee a notification on Outlook with the course details. Line managers can also view and filter through their employees' training records. All approvals and notifications are run using Power Automate. Using natural language queries and OpenAI's API, users can use the search training page by typing plain language questions, which would query existing and external training recommendations for each and every competency. Requests are sent using Power Automate, using a series of HTTP requests that utilize the text Da Vinci model and with prompts coming directly from Power Apps.
Our solution provides multiple benefits, but we have identified 5 key benefits here, namely improved visibility of capabilities, an improved recruitment process, better supporting of progress reviews, improved access to training, and finally, future-proofing with the use of AI. As for next steps, we have provided 8 recommendations. These potential next steps for our solution include introducing Dataverse as a data package, enabling accurate resource demand forecasting capabilities, and a full review of the self-assessment tool.
In response to question 1 of the judges' questions, you will have seen in the dashboard demonstration that we are able to filter down by job profile and get a list of mandatory and optional competencies for each and every job profile. We can later use that information to also narrow down the skills and knowledge required for each and every competency. As for question 2, we have also demonstrated that in the dashboard, there is a section that allows the manager to view the training records of all employees over time and what they've carried out and what's complete and what's outstanding. However, we do also have a recommendation that we keep all historical data of previous assessments, which we could plot on a timeline to allow the line managers to see how their teams and their employees have grown over time. Finally, for question 3, we have designed our solution based on each of the personas' requirements in mind. This was achieved by creating an end-to-end solution with apps embedded in the dashboard, making it a one-stop shop for all information, and by enabling easy categorization and filtering the data based on projects, competencies, sectors, and other parameters. We would like to thank everyone for their time over the past 2 days, from the organizers to the judges to the fellow participants.